guys, it's Mr. CyberTech Sheluru. Today we've got one build, small build for one of my customers. It's gonna be a simple machine with AMD RYZEN 3rd generation with integrated graphic card. So let's start and see what's gonna happen. Hello guys, back again, and we've got almost motherboard ready. We've got CPU in, we've got RAM in. Now I'm just about to put M.2 drive into the slot. This is 500 gig M.2 NVMe Western Digital Black. And guys, we are putting now power supply. We just put the DVD rewriter there, and next step we put in the power supply, lots of cable to connect later. So we're progressing with our build, getting there slowly. I don't want to record everything I do, it's gonna take ages. This is only to show my customer how the progress looks like, building progress of PC. Okie dokie guys, see you next step. Guys, who like cables? Leave me comment. Who love them? But actually in this build we haven't got them too much. So it's not too bad, but I still hate cables. Are we getting there? One step closer. Cable's almost done. It's not brilliant, but it's not too bad.
I think it's brilliant.
Let's see. Guys, we're ready there. I think that should be enough. That should be enough.
And what's the next step?
Next step is operating system. And that's it. And some testing. Do some testing and that's it. Let's have to put this together.
And cut.
As you can see guys, 2 monitors running. We do some tests and we're gonna check the stability of the system, temperatures, and yeah, we're good to go. So yeah, we're getting there, almost ready. So everything is up and running. The temperatures at the moment are okay. I'm gonna test the CPU for about 40 minutes. We'll see what's gonna happen. And that's it. And I'm gonna show you guys everything.